Today we are going to see two gadgets, which you can print overnight with bare minimum filament and minimalistic support structure, and is very handy in your day-to-day life. Our first project is a narrow attachment for your vacuum cleaner. You may be thinking that the same item is provided in your stock attachments. A small change, but huge difference. Let's see the difference what it is. The mouth of the attachments in most of the brands comes with a width of around 15 to 18 mm. But our design has a much narrower width of approximately 10 mm. You may be thinking, what different it make? The millimeters which we have reduced comes into play while cleaning these narrow channels of sliding doors and windows. As you can see, even after extending these brush heads, the attachment is ineffective in penetrating into these narrow grooves. This attachment can be connected to the intake pipe of most of the domestic vacuum cleaner brands, and comes with an inner diameter of 32 mm. Now let's see our little hero in action. Our next design is a chair for this little champ. Alexa Echo Dot. You can get a number of STL file online, but not such a minimalist design which can save lot of filament and money and also ensure better heat dissipation. As you can see, our design is so simple, elegant and minimalistic, but sturdy enough to hold your Alexa Echo Dot. The assembly is also very easy. First insert the power jack through the hole provided. Then press the adapter to the holder. The adapter socket is so designed to tight fit to the power adapter. Now insert the power jack to the socket and place the device on the platform. Fold and tie the excess power cable neatly. That easy. It's done. Now insert the adapter leads into the socket and switch it on. Your Alexa is ready to use. Link to both the files are available in the description. If you consider our efforts useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.